Hello, my name's Dori ONeill. I'm the founder of Simplized Health, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a special technique to deal with anxiety coping skills. In today's video, this is a working video. This is a video where you're going to basically learn how to overcome anxiety and how to cope with anxiety and use anxiety coping skills to allow you to get through those challenging days. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do an actual exercise together. So it's important that you find yourself in a comfortable location, a comfortable chair with no distractions, no televisions, no cell phones, no internet, nothing to bother you, no pets. Just make yourself comfortable and we'll get started. So after we do this, in a moment, I'm going to share with you something that you will be able to use for life and help you with anxiety coping skills forever. So let's get started. So find yourself in a relaxed position, comfortable, loose-fitting clothes, and I want you to take in a deep breath. A deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and relax, 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 relax. Keep your eyes closed and another deep breath in. Then let it out with a sigh and relax. Another deep breath in, out through the mouth, and relax. And as you relax, you'll feel and know that your body is letting go. You're allowing yourself to just let go of stress, and you'll feel that relaxation start at the top of your head, and it'll slowly move down from the top of your head through your forehead, through your eyes, ears, nose, and you'll begin to relax deeper and deeper and deeper. It'll go down through your chin, your lower back of your neck, your throat, and you'll relax deeper and deeper. And your breathing becomes calm and relaxed. Nothing's bothering you. Nothing is bothering you at all. You're listening and concentrating on my voice as I guide you deeper into a deep state of relaxation, moving down your shoulders, down your arms to the tips of your fingertips, down through your chest, down your lower back, down through your hips. All your internal organs are relaxing as well, and you're moving into a nice, beautiful, relaxed, calm state. And you're feeling that relaxation move down through your abdomen, down through your upper thighs, down through your knees, your calves, and right through your feet. And the relaxation flows from the top of your head all the way down through your body, down through your tips of your fingers, going right down through your body, through your legs, right to the tips of your toes, and you're completely relaxed. I'm going to count down now from 3 to 1, and as I do, you're going to relax even deeper, deeper than you've ever relaxed before, and you're going to pay attention to my voice. 3, feeling very relaxed now, very calm. 2, deeper now, relaxed and paying attention to my voice. 1, you're in a deep, deep state of relaxation. Anxiety coping skills start with paying attention to what I'm about to share. So pay particular attention, use your imagination as we go back in time. I want you to remember things when you were little, things when you were very young that are joyous occasions. I want you to go back to your first earliest memory, and I want you to remember something that made you very happy. Was that your birthday party that you remember? Was it something that your mom or your dad did for you, or an aunt or a cousin? Was it getting a new puppy? I just want you to remember that event, and I want you to think about that event. And as you think about that event, I want you to embed that in your mind, just like a directory of that's a happy moment in my life. That's a happy moment when I was approximately X number of years old. And I want you to think about that event and think about the details. I want you to think and remember another event that happened that brought you a lot of joy around the same age. You could be from an infant to, say, 10 years old. Could it be that you went on an exciting vacation? Was there a particular event when you met somebody that you really liked? Was it something that your best friend did? Or was it a relative? Or was it just something you saw or witnessed? Or was it going to a concert? Or was it seeing something for the first time that was awe-inspiring, like a monument or a place? Was it a trip? Was it your first airplane ride? I want you to focus on that next most memorable event, and I want you to embed that into your memory directory of a happy event. Do it now. Remember it, because we're going to use the first memory and the second memory as anchor points to add to your anxiety coping skills. So remember that event. Now let's get up into your teens. Let's think of a memory. Was it your first dance? Was it being given a particular gift? Or was it meeting or going on a first date, or your first kiss, or somebody that's continued to be your best friend? I want you to think about that. I want you to remember that trip. Whatever it is for you, it's yours, and it's yours alone. And I want you to remember the details of this event. I want you to, even if you can't, think about the smells that were around. Think about the sounds that were around. I want you to paint a mental picture of that event from your teen years. And that is event number 3. And event number 4, if you have one, and if you don't, it's okay. I want you to do the same thing. Find another event. Maybe it's later on in your teen years. Maybe it's something special, again, with a friend, a relative, a trip. And I want you to anchor that event. That's number 4. So now we've got 4 memories. And after this session, I want you to continue to close your eyes and remember events 1, 2, 3, and 4. First 2 are from when you're very young. The second 2 are from your teen years. Now we're going to event number 5, a young adult. And I want you to think about that event. Think about it. Was it something that somebody did for you? Was it getting your first proposal? Was it meeting that special someone? Was it making a proposal? Was it a trip? Was it a first job? Was it something that's unique to you that you'll never forget? Bring and cherish that memory into number 5. And I want you to file that in that memory directory, that beautiful memory directory, that golden memory directory where there's events 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And event number 6, if you have an event number 6, is that special memory. And that could be from any time, from adulthood till now. And think about it. Was it recent? Was it in the distant past? Remember the events, remember the surroundings, the temperature of the air, the smells, the sounds, the people that were with you. And I want you to anchor that event into that golden memory directory. And remember, we're coming back to this. You're coming back to this on your own for 3 days, tomorrow, the next day, and the following day. And you're going to remember these 6 events starting at 1 from your very young age. Starting at, the next one is 2, then to 3 in your teenage years, 4 in your teenage years, 5 as a young adult, and 6 anytime. And those 6 points are going to be golden memory anchor points that you're going to use and remember and go back to. And they're going to be anchored. And for 3 days, you're going to rehearse. You're going to do this exercise by yourself. You're going to close your eyes. You're going to take 3 deep breaths. And you're going to remember event 1, event 2, event 3, event 4, event 5, and event 6. And they're going to be able to be drawn upon by yourself at any time, regardless of how the situation is, how you feel. These golden anchor points are going to be your guardian angels. 6 memories of when you were extremely happy, when you felt joy, when you felt wonder, when you felt awe, when you felt good about some thing, some event, some circumstance. These are powerful events that are going to be used by you in the future. And so, how are you going to use these events? How are you going to use these events? We're going to cover that in the next lesson. So in summary, you're going back to number 1 memory, and you're going to place that in that golden memory index. Number 2 memory, place it in that golden memory index. Number 3 memory, place it in that golden memory index. Number 4 memory, place it in that golden memory index. Number 5 memory, place it in that golden memory index. Number 6 memory, place it in there. And for 3 days following this, and as many times as you need in the future, review those 6 memories. That is the first anxiety coping skills lesson that will help you in the future. And tomorrow's lesson, we're going to cover how to use it. So now you're still relaxed. And as you're relaxed, you're going to come up to a waking state slowly. Just imagine your surroundings. I'm going to count to 3, and I'm going to bring you out. 3, you're starting to awaken. 2, you feel the energy flowing into your body. And 1, your eyes are open. And now you have this tool that you're going to develop over the next 3 days, and remember those 6 anchor points. So I'd like you to please do me the honor of leaving a comment on Anxiety Coping Skills Session 1 and what you think of being able to remember. Can you guess how you're going to use these anchor points and what you're going to learn in tomorrow's lesson? So please leave a comment and please share this with other people. I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already done that. That would be a great service to us and others. And please share the 10-part dealing with anxiety course so that you can help others that are facing this challenge. In the next video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you're going to use your 6 memory anchor points to get the results that you need to help you overcome anxiety just like that. We'll see you on the next video. My name's Dori ONeill. Have a blessed day.